The civil authorities have issued an evacuation immediate for Lane County, Oregon, beginning at 10:40 p.m., Sunday, August 13th, and ending at 6:49 a.m., Monday, August 14th. This is an emergency notice from the Lane County Sheriff's Office. The following areas are being issued a Level 3 Go Now evacuation notice to wildfire. Taylor Road, North Bank Road, all areas of Highway 126 between Blue River Reservoir and Drury Lane, Mona Campground, Lookout Campground, and H.J. Andrews Headquarters. Level 3 means, leave immediately. Do not take time to gather things, go now. More information at www.lanecounty.org/lookoutfire.